Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today we bring you something that defines the true meaning of performance, precision, and timeless design. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S has officially arrived, and it is more powerful, more advanced, and more captivating than ever before. This isn't just another sports car. It's the icon of Porsche's engineering excellence, crafted to dominate both the racetrack and the open road. At first glance, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S may look familiar, carrying forward the unmistakable silhouette of the 911 that enthusiasts have cherished for decades. But look closer, and you'll notice the evolutionary details that make this model stand out. The body is sleeker, the aerodynamics more refined, and every curve has been sculpted to balance beauty with pure performance. Wider rear fenders, aggressive air intakes, and a reworked rear spoiler system make it instantly recognizable as the king of the 911 lineup. Under the rear hood lies the true heart of this machine, a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, now enhanced with cutting-edge engineering to deliver a breathtaking 750 horsepower. That's right, 750 horses packed into this legendary supercar, giving it the ability to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The top speed climbs to nearly 340 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars Porsche has ever built, with launch control, advanced torque vectoring, and an all-wheel drive system that transfers power with unmatched precision. The 911 Turbo S isn't just fast, it's a beast with razor-sharp control. But power alone is nothing without control, and Porsche knows this better than anyone. That's why the 2026 911 Turbo S comes with Porsche Active Suspension Management, rear axle steering, and an adaptive aerodynamics package that constantly adjusts to driving conditions. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or unleashing its fury on a straight highway, the Turbo S keeps you planted, confident, and connected to the asphalt like no other machine. The sound, too, is something special. The symphony of the flat-six engine roaring through a new titanium exhaust system is enough to send chills down any enthusiast's spine. Step inside, and the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S reminds you that luxury and performance can coexist in perfect harmony. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and cutting-edge technology integrated seamlessly into the timeless 911 interior layout. The driver sits low, cocooned in sport seats that offer both comfort and support, while a fully digital instrument cluster delivers everything from performance data to navigation with crystal-clear precision. Porsche's latest infotainment system is faster, sharper, and more intuitive, complete with wireless smartphone integration, advanced voice control, and over-the-air updates that keep the car as modern tomorrow as it is today. A high-end Bose or Burmester sound system is available for those moments when you want music instead of the glorious engine note, though most owners will likely prefer listening to the mechanical symphony that defines this supercar. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been enhanced in the 2026 model. Porsche's suite of intelligent systems includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition, and night vision assist. Yet Porsche has made sure these features never dilute the pure driving experience. They are there to enhance convenience and safety, but never to interfere with the thrill that only a 911 Turbo S can deliver. What truly makes the Porsche 911 Turbo S special is its heritage. Since its debut in the 1970s, the Turbo badge has represented the pinnacle of 911 performance. Over the decades, it has evolved, gaining power, refinement, and cutting-edge technology, yet it has never lost its soul. The 2026 version is the culmination of decades of relentless development, carrying forward the DNA of every 911 that came before it, while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a road car. And yet, despite all this performance, the 911 Turbo S remains remarkably usable every day. Unlike many supercars that sacrifice comfort for speed, Porsche has mastered the balance. The ride is supple enough for city driving, the cabin is quiet when you want it to be, and the rear seats, while small, add a touch of practicality that most supercars can only dream of. This is a machine you could drive to work on Monday, take on a road trip over the weekend, and then demolish lap times on a racetrack without changing a single setting. Visually, the 2026 911 Turbo S is stunning. The wide stance, sculpted sides, and dramatic LED lighting give it an unmistakable presence. New wheel designs, along with a range of bold color options, allow each owner to personalize their supercar. The rear with its full-width light bar, active spoiler, and quad exhaust tips makes a statement that needs no words. This is the ultimate 911. For Porsche fans, the arrival of the 2026 911 Turbo S is more than just a new car. It's a celebration of everything that makes the brand legendary. It is precision engineering, timeless design, and raw performance combined into one breathtaking package. It's the kind of car that turns heads on the street, commands respect at the track, and leaves its driver grinning every time they push the accelerator. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S is not just about numbers, though the numbers are extraordinary. It's about the feeling it delivers, the rush of adrenaline, the connection between driver and machine, and the pride of owning a car that is truly world-class. For enthusiasts, this car is a dream realized. For competitors, it is a benchmark to chase. So, as we look at this masterpiece, it's clear that Porsche has once again redefined what a supercar can be. The 2026 911 Turbo S stands at the very peak of performance cars, a symbol of excellence that will be remembered for years to come. And for those lucky enough to own one, every drive will be nothing short of extraordinary.